Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammadin wa alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students, you must be fine today. And before starting this, I want you people to do something. Okay, 2-3 things. First, keep looking at the whiteboard, or keep looking at me, or keep looking at the whiteboard. Okay. And pay attention to my voice. Be focused. And I don't want anybody to play with the pencil or anything like that, or copy or talking, looking this way or that way. Okay? Your eyes should be fixed onto the board. If you are looking this way or that way, I will tackle you later on. Okay? No issue. Responsibilities of youth mean the responsibilities of young generation. So when Pakistan came into being, it was quite a new state, newly born state of Pakistan. Okay, be attentive please, not be sleepy. It was quite a new state, a newly born state. And a university students or a university chancellor, he invited Qaidadam, Rahmatullah, to give a convocation address. Okay, and he came and he said that though I have been busy, I had many calls on me, I had many invitations. Okay. Even then I came here, and he said that though he could not prepare a formal convocation address, even then, he had something to say on such, big subjects like history and, arts and other subjects like, So he said that I will say just few words about that, those subjects. And later on he thanked the chancellor for being there. Okay? And then he, says that there was communication. And he said that it is, I have come over here as a mayor of my duty. Okay? And it is incumbent upon me to serve my nation selflessly and honestly. Okay? And it is incumbent upon, it is obligatory upon every Muslim to serve his nation selflessly and honestly. So he said that I have not come over here as a head of the state. That he had not come there as a head of the state, rather he had come there as a friend. He's talking to the students. Okay. And later he said that now, as a result of this revolutionary change, a speedy change, as a result of this revolutionary change, a big change, okay, and that we have broken the shackles, when you are handcuffed, like this, a police comes and handcuffs you, okay, these are called the shackles. Or maybe your feet are there cuffed, like they are tied. Okay. These are the shackles. When your feet they are tied with chains, iron chains, that is called shackles. Okay, shackles of slavery. That we have broken the shackles of slavery. We have been slave in past, and right now we have broken them, and we are free people. Unlike our predecessors. Unlike our, you can say, forefathers, they have been free. But no, when you will leave the university, definitely you will set your feet in a free and independent state of your own. Okay? And he said that you are free people. He said to the students that you are totally free people right now. But freedom does not mean a license to do something wrong. Okay? You are free, but it doesn't mean to disturb other people. Okay? Are you understanding? Freedom does not mean to give gestures in the class. Okay? It's not a license to violate the rights of others. To do corruption, to do something wrong in the state. Okay? Freedom means to look at the whiteboard. Okay, pay attention towards your studies. Okay? Make the good use of your freedom. Okay? Otherwise, somebody else will be making the bad use of your freedom. It's a great responsibility. If we have got the freedom, okay, it doesn't mean that our responsibility is withdrawn. Rather, we have been bound to be responsible. We have been bound to be responsible. And on page number 3, he says, it is necessary for us to work as a united and disciplined nation. He laid emphasis on unity and discipline. Clear? So you should keep these points in your mind. And we should work in constructive spirit instead of militant spirit. As they have been working in a militant spirit, okay, with a lot of zeal and zest, and they have been sent to jails for demanding the freedom, against demanding the freedom. Okay. There have been many people who have been sent to jails. Okay. And he said that it's quite easy to go to jail, but it is quite difficult to run a government. Okay. To construct a state is difficult, but to go to jail is quite easy. So we'll have to work in a constructive spirit instead of militant spirit. Militant spirit is used to gain freedom. Okay? And constructive spirit is used to construct a country, used to make a country. Okay? And he also said about the intentions of the enemy. He said our enemy tried to stop Pakistan being free. Okay? Stop Indo-Pakistan to be separated from each other. Okay? They were against the establishment of Pakistan. Our enemy was against the establishment of Pakistan before independence. Okay? And now they have turned their attention, as they have failed in destabilizing, or you can say in their efforts not to let Pakistan be established. Okay? Now they have turned their attention to weaken Pakistan and to destroy Pakistan. So this was the message: unity, discipline, constructive spirit, militant spirit, and then enemy's intentions. Now our enemy want to weaken us. They want to destroy us. And our enemies, let me tell you honestly, still destroying us. Look at the whiteboard, please. And what happened is that when India and Pakistan divided, they were divided. Indo-Pak was divided. Okay. What happened was that, there was a mass murder in Punjab and Delhi. Hindus were killing Muslims and Muslims were killing Hindus, Sikhs were killing Muslims and maybe each other. There was a large scale killing in both parts of the Indo-Pak, in India and Pakistan. Okay, it was a mass murder. Mass murder means a large scale murder. Holocaust. Holocaust also means a large scale murder. Okay. Dead bodies were everywhere. They slaughtered, butchered Muslim men, women, children, each and everybody. They were slaughtered. And they were slaughtered and butchered mercilessly. Thousands butchered. Thousands men, children and women. They were butchered mercilessly. And millions were turned homeless. Millions have to leave their homes. And almost 50 lakh arrived in Punjab within a matter of weeks. Within few weeks, 50 lakh immigrants, mean 5 million immigrants, they arrived in Punjab. Okay? And there was a big burden on the state of Pakistan, on a newly emerging state of Pakistan, newly established state of Pakistan. take care of the refugees. They were homeless. 50 lakh people turned homeless without food, without clothing. Rather, they were having clothing, but quite normal. Okay, torn and broken. Having shoes or not. No medicines. Okay. They were to be rehabilitated. They were to rehabilitate these refugees. Okay. And this posed a big problem for the state of Pakistan because it is quite difficult. Let me give you a small example, not a large scale example. You know very well how your parents are managing the family. Every day there are quarrels in the family. Father is let's say the father is the head of the family. Okay. Every day he is shouting, turn off these tube lights, do this, do that, like this, like that. Okay. So it's just a family of 5 people, or maybe a family of 8 people. For layman, it's quite difficult to manage a family. But when 50 lakh people are given to a head of the state, is it easy to manage them? Is it easy to give them food? Is it easy to give them clothing and housing? Definitely it poses a big problem for the state. If a person is unable to manage his family properly, how come we expect a leader that he will properly manage 50 lakh people which are homeless, who have no food, no clothing, no house of their own, no facilities, no health facilities, things like that. So these were the key features, key points of the, you can say, responsibilities of the youth. And next I will discuss tomorrow. Let's study it, let's read it out. Okay, then if you have any question in your mind, you may let me know. Okay, keep these points in mind while reading the passage. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.